In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Kodi software on your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or on Windows 11, this process should be the same. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, just open any browser. For my case, I'll be using Google Chrome and just search for Kodi like that. And this will take you to official Kodi website. Here, just click on it, and now we are under the download page. However, if you are on official page, you should also be able to see download here. Click on download and you'll be taken to this download page. Now down here, you have to choose your platform. This will depend on the operating system you are using. We have download options for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, just to mention but a few. Because I'm on Windows 10, I'll click on Windows and now choose the operating system type that you have. For my case, I'm using 64-bit operating system. We also have one for 32-bit operating system. If you don't know the type of your operating system, you can also just check it, and to check it, you can just go to this PC here, click on it and go to properties here, and under this, if you go to device specifications, you should see here under system type. For my case, I have the 64-bit operating system. You can see it here, 64-bit processor. So once you are sure, now you can choose according to your operating system. Because I have 64, I'll click on 64 installer, and this will install the file. You can see the installation process is on. Once the installation is done, you can see the Kodi installer is here. Just click on this profile icon and this will take you direct to the location where this installer is. Mine is under download, so you can just go under downloads for your case and you should be able to find it. Now it's time to run this program and install it on our computer. To do so, just double click on Kodi file here or right click on it and then choose run as administrator. So if I click on this, confirm by clicking on yes and then click on next. Now here you have to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on agree. This is the destination folder. You can change it if you want. For my case, I just leave it as it is and click on next. Finally, if you don't want to create a shortcut on your desktop, you can choose do not create shortcut. But because I want a shortcut on my desktop, I'll just leave this unchecked and click on install, and the installation process is on. So don't close this window until the installation is done. Finally, we have to finish, and if you want to run your program on finish, you can check this run Kodi and this will open the program immediately. So if you want to run it immediately, click on finish and run, and now the program will start running, and as you can see here it is. So that's how you can install Kodi on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.